Every great story begins with a dream so daring, so vast that at first it seems impossible. From the heart of Ethiopia, a vision was born. A vision that combined the sharp eyes of an eagle with the power of openness. A vision that dared to unlock new horizons for the youth. That vision was given a name that now echoes with meaning, strength, and purpose. EAGLOPEN. Eagle plus open, opening the eagle's vision and opening the future. But this journey was not easy. The path was filled with challenges, doubts, and endless obstacles. Yet where many would see barriers, but one young man saw opportunities. The founder of EAGLOPEN, Lensho sacrificed his time, his energy, to carve this dream into reality. And from those sacrifices, an incredible company was built. Today, EAGLOPEN stands tall. It is no longer just a dream whispered in silence. It is a movement, a force, a home for bright minds across Ethiopia. Students from every corner of the nation have gathered under its wings. They are brilliant. They are determined. They are the future. And this is only the beginning. For EAGLOPEN is not content with staying within borders. It dares to dream continental. It dares to dream global. Officially recognized by the Ethiopian government, EAGLOPEN is now a registered company. And with that foundation, the first great program was born. EAGLOPEN AlgoLab. For the very first time, 30 brilliant and highly competitive students were chosen. Out of many, these 30 shined the brightest. They came together in the city of Adama, at Adama Science and Technology University. For 3 weeks, they were immersed in knowledge, learning Python programming, diving deep into algorithms, unlocking the tools of tomorrow. This was not just education, it was transformation, like the Nile that nurtures life across the land. EAGLOPEN AlgoLab nurtures the minds of the next generation, and this is only the dawn. From 30 students to hundreds, from hundreds and to thousands, from one university to every corner of Africa. EAGLOPEN dreams, not in small steps, but in giant leaps. It is a dream that belongs not to one person, but to all who dare to believe. A dream where youth are not followers of technology, but leaders of innovation. A dream where Ethiopia does not just consume knowledge, but exports it to the world. This is not just a company. This is not just a program. This is a legacy in the making. And to the world we say, the eagle has opened its wings. This is EAGLOPEN. The future has just begun.